cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
What's going on, everybody? We are at LS Fest 2022. Gonna have some fun. We are gonna try to run the 850 class. Everybody's here. Look, everybody's here. Same people that are always here. So we're gonna get to the lines through the first testing tune. Try to put more power in here in just a minute. Don't be flicking stuff off. What are you talking about? See what I have to deal with. All right, guys, we're gonna see you at the staging lanes here in just a few minutes.
Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Ethan just made his second pass of the day. This is day one. He did a 10.92 at 130 miles an hour. I don't know what happened yet for him. And Ethan, I know you're gonna watch this, so haha, I'm taking over your YouTube page. But we're gonna head back over here, see what happened with it, and hopefully we'll get back with y'all.
All right, guys, so we made our second pass and it did not go well. I had no idea what was going on inside the car. It was awful. I could feel the car was just a turd. Went, what, 10.7 at 125. I can sneeze faster than that in this car normally. Well, come to find out, I had no CO2 left in the bottle because the top of the bottle somehow unscrewed and lost all the CO2 to the turbos. So unfortunately, we were running on gate pressure, which is 4 pounds, and basically just screwed me over. So we can make one more run, which is a qualifying run, and we're gonna put the shit to it because I'm pissed now. And I told him to turn it up. I don't really care how it blows, scatters the engine across the track. Luckily, we got a diaper on there now, but I'm not too happy about it. So luckily, I brought the spare CO2 bottle with me. That's full. So we're gonna get it cooled down. In a couple hours, I guess we'll finally get to make another pass, but we'll see if that's true or not. But that was really about it, guys. Unfortunately, that was crappy after spending 2 hours trying to get to the line and get up there, and then just things go bad. But I mean, that's racing. We'll get it taken care of. I'm gonna put the new bottle in, check everything, make sure I don't have anything else going on, make sure I don't have a leak out on here. But we checked everything under the hood. Everything seems good. We don't see any lines off. We checked all the lines, so the only thing we can come up with, as soon as I pulled the bottle, the whole top of it spun. So, you know, just bad luck, guys. But we'll get it cooled down and we'll get back up there and hopefully we can make a pass. That's 8 seconds like we've been wanting to do. So that's it. And then I forgot what I did. That's bad. It's terrible. All right, so on your scramble, half second in, you can grab it. It'll add additional 4 pounds on the target. And then when you get to another second and a half, it's gonna add 8. And then that, my math's out, it should be about 34, 35 pounds. And it's only got like 9 extra time, so I don't think it's gonna be. See that? If it goes, it's gonna be a ride. That's good. I'm beyond mad about that. It's gonna be a really, really, really fun ride. I was like, I'm gonna have to throw the parachute. And I got out, and I'm like, what just happened? Was the longest I've ever sat there and was just like, yep. Yeah, it was awful inside the car. And then the Fox body beside you, when it gets down to the shutdown, it starts smoking, and I was like, oh fuck, God, I hope something doesn't happen, because he looked like he was right beside you. It looked like big puff of white smoke. Turn anyway. Huh? I was letting him turn anyway. I know that, but it looked like he kind of like got sideways in a big puff of white smoke, and I just sat there and I was just, yeah, one of those things, man. I've never would have imagined that to happen. I'm glad I brought the bottle. I'm glad I brought the spare bottle with me. I was like, do I really need the spare bottle? I was like, I'm taking it. I mean, worst case, we could have just plumbed it back into the intake and then like we could before, but then I would have gave it all of it out the back. Would have had to. Yeah, that sucks though. I wonder if there's anybody here that fills bottles.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always lied just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who for all time they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I till I wear the crown.
A couple days after LS Fest, somehow I lost the exiting video for day one, so I'm gonna make it now. Just kind of let y'all know what happened. I messed up bad. I got out of the groove, all kinds of stuff. The track had went pretty bad at night because they were trying to rush everybody because it was already almost midnight, and I just didn't have the suspension right. So we're still working on the suspension. Day one was not the best for us. Day two was a little better, just a little bit. So I'm already editing day two. It should be up tomorrow right after this one. Should be much better video. We had a whole lot more video filmed the next day, so we had a little bit more time to kill too. But guys, that's about it. Like, subscribe, go tomorrow, watch day two. Day two we actually ran competitively. We had to do our hot laps back to back. So like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. Help me with suspension on this thing if you have any idea on G-body suspension, because I'm new to the whole drag radial suspension setup stuff. So guys, like, subscribe. We'll see you we'll see you tomorrow.